Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So I am very excited to film this video today. So look, two things y'all should know about me if you have been watching my content. Number one, I play a lot for my big age, but look, don't judge me, judge your mama. Next, number two, I love me some healthy hair care, but I love when I'm able to get healthy hair care styles using products that were created by Black girl bosses. And so in this video, I'm going to talk about a brand that is not new to my channel by any means, and that is Fortify'd Naturals. And me and Baby in the City would love to thank Fortify'd Naturals for partnering with me on this video, because y'all know with partnerships I get donations, gifts. So I have talked about Fortify'd Naturals on my channel before, but in case you didn't see that video, let me get you here. They have really good products that focus on giving you hydration without buildup. And every time that I have used their products, not only does my hair feel soft, it feels incredibly moisturized, but it's really lightweight and flowy, and I really do like that about the products. So I'm not new to these products, I'm true to this thing, with the exception of two products. This, their healthy hair care drop system. So real quick, let me explain to you what they are, how they work, and then we're gonna get to playing as a product. So since we're getting ready to learn something new, it's only right, nerd time. All right, let's talk about the product that had me the most perplexed but the most impressed. They're both real good, but this really blew me for a loop, and this is the Growth Sensation. Now what this is a vitamin infused hair growth elixir, and it can help with itchy scalp. Now the official benefits: it's intended to help accelerate your hair growth, reduce shedding, thicken hair from the root, relieve itchy scalp, and it can help with scalp conditions such as dandruff. Now the way it works is it has some really key ingredients. Number one, witch hazel. Witch hazel can help to alleviate an itchy scalp. It also has garlic. Garlic can help you with hair growth, and because it's a natural antifungal, it can help reduce the occurrence of scalp infections. Now I know what you're thinking, Faye, you said garlic. Don't get scared. From my personal experience of using this particular product, it is blended together wonderfully. You smell more so witch hazel than you do garlic. Now they don't have artificial fragrance added to it, but it does smell good. Listen to me, you will not smell like a garlic clove. It does also have some vitamins which can help you with the hair growth, but the thing that I personally love the most is it has menthol. Now if you are not hip, menthol is a derivative of peppermint oil, and y'all know how peppermint oil is. It's one of the best things ever to help you with your growing out your hair. You put it on your scalp, massage it in really good, and because this consistency, that's the thing that really impressed me, because this is an aloe based elixir, it is very lightweight. And what I have found from my personal use is because it is so lightweight, I'm really able to get it down into my follicles a lot easier, which helps you with your hair growth. Now I will say this because I believe in transparency. I've only been using this system for about a week and a half, so of course I can't say my hair grew out like Rapunzel because of Fortify'd Naturals, but I can say my scalp feels bomb. So that is the Growth Sensation. Let's talk about the Super Growth Oil. Now this actually is an oil that you use for follicle stimulation to help with your hair growth. It comes out really light as well. It is oil, so of course it has oil consistency, but it's on the lighter weight side. And this particular product is intended to help accelerate your hair growth, thicken your hair, regrow thinning hair, condition your hair and scalp, and then when you pair these two together, you get the maximum results. Now two of the ingredients that I want to highlight in this particular growth oil is Haitian black castor oil. When I tell you from personal experience, Haitian black castor oil has assisted me on my hair growth journey many a days, honey. And then on top of that, just like with the Growth Sensation, this does have menthol, which helps me with growing my hair. As far as the smell goes, it is a little bit more earthy and herbal kind of in the scent. You can smell it. It does smell real natural. So if you are also interested in growing out your hair, make sure you check it out. I have the link in the description box so you can check out these two particular products. And speaking of products, it is time to get my hair together, honey. Let's go and get this boy stay cracking. Hello, lover. Ooh. Excuse the long intro. I just wanted y'all to really know what the drops were about versus just saying this will grow your hair. I want you to know what was actually in it so you can kind of know what to expect. Now, with that being said, let's accelerate this a little bit just to save your time. Now, as I told y'all before, when it comes to Fortify'd Naturals, they prefer to have super hydrating ingredients that don't leave buildup. But here's the thing, if you put those type of ingredients on top of strands that already have buildup, you're doing yourself a disservice. And so it is best, especially if you are new to this company. But either way it goes, every couple months I like to do do this anyway, and that is gonna pull out that good old clay mask, honey. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the Fortified Naturals Moroccan Razul clay into a plastic bowl and make sure it doesn't come in contact with metal, because it actually attracts metal and you don't want to put that into your hair. But anyway, I'm gonna put the clay into a bowl, add a little bit of water and apple cider vinegar, and mix it together until I see a consistency that I like. And then I go ahead and put it on my hair and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Y'all know I love me a clay mask because number one, not only does it help me to feel like I just gave my hair a boost of energy and health, but honey, the curls be popping. And immediately after that, I'm actually going to go ahead and shampoo as well, and I'm going to use the Fortified Naturals Sage Infused Black Soap Shampoo. And the reason I really do like this is because even though it is a black soap shampoo, it doesn't strip my hair. Now don't get me wrong, it get me clean, like so fresh and so clean, but it does not make my hair feel like hay. It just makes it feel really, really clean. So yeah, do go ahead and shampoo it one full time, and then we go to the next step. And we're back, Jax. The way my scalp feels like I am just trolloping on like the top of the French Alps, just catching the cool breeze. That's exactly what this feels like. My scalp feels super refreshing. Now let's add some moisture to the hair. Kaboom. So Fortified Naturals actually has two deep treatment options. One is for moisture, one is for moisture and strengthening. Right now I know I don't really need strengthening and repair, so I'm gonna just go ahead and focus on the moisture, which also gives you some growth. So it's the growth enhancing moisture therapy. So I'm gonna just take some of this. What I love about this is such a whipped consistency, y'all. This, I love this so much. So I'm gonna work that in like that. I'm actually gonna add some more water, especially with me following up behind a black soap shampoo. I want to make sure I'm really giving my hair some moisture. I'm gonna go ahead and put this product on. And because this product is not new to my channel, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on all 4 sections in 5, 4, 3, 2. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this under a shower cap, get under my dryer for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna get to styling. Y'all, I'm so excited about this because when I tell you my scalp feels good, honey, it feels amazing. I'll be right back. What up, yo? So I just rinsed out my hair. I can't tell you how soft my hair feels. Like, my hair feels very soft, and it does feel very hydrated. Now I will say it's not the type of moisture that if you were using a product that has super heavy butters and oils in it, it ain't that type of party, but it is very hydrating and very moisturizing. So I do like that deep treatment. Now let's get into the leave-in. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. This is the hydrating leave-in conditioner. First of all, it smells amazing. Secondly, it feels real good. Now I'm gonna tell you this while I'm putting this leave-in on. I am getting ready to do a stretched twist out. I've actually never done a twist out like on stretched hair. I always do it like on soaking wet hair, and then it end up looking like a wash and go, right? Child, this thing smells like Jergens. It smells so good. But anyway, I've never done a stretched twist out, and so the thing I know about these particular products is they're very hydrated, and the hold is on the lighter side because they don't like to use like super heavy products that cause buildup. So because it's going to be a lighter type of situation, I was like, oh, this is the perfect time to do a stretched twist out. So I'm getting ready to do that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this leave-in all over my hair, and I'm gonna let the cap sit on it for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to actually blow out my hair with cool air using this comb attachment. I ain't gonna do it on camera just because that takes a long time and y'all ain't trying to see this, so just know I'm just gonna blow it out with cool air, and the next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have a fro on it. All right, so we're back, and as you can see, my hair is pretty much stretched out, and this is the easy part, is the styling. So all I'm gonna do is take some of this hydration potion. It's the Intense Hydration Potion. It's a curl defining styling lotion. So on my hair, I already sectioned off one part. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and just add a little bit of the potion, and then I'm going to do flat twist all around. I like flat twists more than I do individuals. So I just add some of the potion, but not so much that it'll revert, but enough that my hair can really feel it. I flat twist all the way around, and then I end up looking like this. And as you can see, my flat twist are flat twisted. Now, of course, with this being a styling lotion, the hold is a little lighter. So if you want a firmer hold, you can either do a mousse or a gel on top, but I'm kind of just rocking it out like this. So since this did add more moisture to my hair, I'm gonna get under the hooded dryer. It ain't gonna take long at all, especially because I did this on stretched hair. So I'm gonna let this completely set. I'm gonna unravel it off camera, and the next time y'all see me, I'll be looking like some. I told you. Y'all, I love this haircut. It looks like a little bob on me. Now, I will say, first of all, me and this pregnant body under a dryer, But the results are totally worth it. My hair feels very, very hydrated, very, very soft. I will say though, because the hold on the styling lotion is softer, when I unraveled my twist, I did take a few pumps of holding spray just to give it a little additional hold without extra buildup so that the curls will last longer. So with that being said, shout out to Fortify'd Natural for these amazing products. They give you great hydration without any excess buildup. If you're interested in a hair growth system, they have the growth sensation as well as the super growth oil. You can use one or put them together. I really love my hair right now. I feel like I'm looking like somebody's mama, even though I technically am, but still kind of not, but whatever. I feel like I look like real grown folk out here, you understand? So I'll be sure to link Fortify'd Naturals in my description box. Y'all make sure y'all check them out right now. And if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I will see y'all soon. Bye y'all. Yeah, I'm looking like the head of the PTA right now. Bye y'all.